Understanding separable phrasal verbs. Hello learners, welcome back to our series on phrasal verbs. Today, we're diving into a fascinating part of English grammar, separable phrasal verbs. If you're new to phrasal verbs, don't worry, we'll guide you through the basics before tackling this type of phrasal verb. So, are you ready? Let's jump in. Just a quick refresher. Phrasal verbs are verbs made up of 2 or 3 words, a verb and 1 or 2 particles. A particle can be a preposition or an adverb. Phrasal verbs are particularly important in English because they can completely change the meaning of the basic verb. For example, the verb to turn can mean completely different things when paired with different particles, such as turn up, turn down, turn on, turn off, and so on. Now, onto the star of today's video. Separable phrasal verbs. These are phrasal verbs where the verb and the particle can be separated. That means you can insert the object of the verb either in the middle of the phrasal verb or at the end. For example, with the phrasal verb, turn off, both, turn the TV off, and turn off the TV, are correct. Here are some examples and rules to keep in mind with separable phrasal verbs. 1. If the object is a noun, you can usually put it in the middle of the phrasal verb or at the end. For example, I picked up the phone, or I picked the phone up. 2. If the object is a pronoun, like it, him, her, you must put it in the middle of the phrasal verb. So you would say, I picked it up, not, I picked up it. 3. Some phrasal verbs can have different meanings if they are separated or not. For example, to put on can mean to dress in, separable, put on your coat, or to deceive, non-separable. He put on an act. That's a wrap on separable phrasal verbs. Remember, the key to mastering phrasal verbs is practice. Try using them in your daily conversations or writing. And don't forget the rules we discussed today when using separable phrasal verbs. We hope this video has been helpful. Stay tuned for more English language learning content, and as always, keep practicing. See you in the next video.